Recently, in the hit Netflix show Masaba Masaba, we saw the lead character going to a therapist. But this therapist was narcissistic, constantly undermining Masaba, interrupting her, and bringing her own problems to the fore. Now, maybe we could have forgotten this as a one off caricaturish portrayal of a therapist, but unfortunately, so much of our pop culture references therapy to be exactly like this, which is extremely incorrect. For many people, this process can be life changing. And this World Mental Health Awareness Month, we try to bust some myths around therapy. Myth number 1: you have to be crazy or have had to hit rock bottom to go to therapy. Many individuals believe that you only go to therapy once you've hit rock bottom or your life is out of control. However, different individuals from different walks of life go to therapy for different problems, personal growth, or when they're going through a rough patch, or to change some habits among a long list of reasons. Mostly people go to therapy because they want to make a change but don't really know where to start. A therapist can help us navigate these emotions, embrace ourselves, own our thoughts, and so much more. Myth number 2: only weak people go to therapy. In a culture like ours, where we're expected to take care of everything ourselves, asking for help can often be seen as a sign of weakness. However, getting the right kind of help that you need, especially in regards to your mental health, is actually a great show of strength and of courage. We often hesitate in reaching out for help when it comes to our mental health, but probably don't have the same kind of reservations if we had to go to a doctor for a broken leg. Our mind, feeling, and emotions are the same way, and we shouldn't hesitate in reaching out if we're going through depression, anxiety, or anything else that's bothering us. Myth number 3: therapists have the solution to all of life's problems. When talking about establishing a client and therapist alliance, we must remember that it's not about what the therapist thinks is important, but what the client thinks is important. No therapist has a one solution fixes all approach to any client. A good therapist will operate from the stance that it's the client who owns their own story, and no therapist can or should deny that. Myth number 4: all therapy is the same. It's not uncommon for people to go for therapy, and if it doesn't really work for them, to assume that all therapy is ineffective. This is a big decision, and when it doesn't work out in the first go, it can be a little frustrating. And also, it can be difficult to try again. But here's the thing: there are many different types of therapies, such as dialectical behavioral therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, and sometimes it does take some trial and error to find out what works best for you. Myth number 5: once I go, I will have to be in therapy forever. Most people, once they start going for therapy, assume that they'll have to continue to be in therapy for years or even decades. But the good news is that therapy doesn't have to go on for that long. Your type of treatment or the length of how long you need to be in this process depends on multiple factors, such as your needs or even your underlying conditions. In fact, according to the American Psychology Association, about half of the people who go for therapy end up improving and feeling better after just 15 to 20 sessions. These are just a few of the many myths that prevent people from reaching out for the professional help that can significantly benefit them. The truth is that therapy can help us with a lot of things, whether we're facing anxiety, wanting to strengthen our personal relationships, or just yearning to accept ourselves. Going for therapy can be beneficial for our wellness as a whole. What are some myths for therapy that you can bust for us? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to Feminism in India for your dose of desi intersectional feminist content.